Hi guys, today I will explain how to maximize or minimize the size of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application. Once it will be open a project in which you want to maximize or minimize the size of a video. Just for showing you, I will open this one. My project has been open, and I imported a video in my project. You can see the size of my video is not matched with the resolution of Adobe Premiere Pro video screen, so how can I maximize it? This process is simple. The first thing is click on your video, which is you paste it on the timeline. And take a look on the left top. You can see the option Effect Control. Click on it, and here you can see the option of Scale. Increase the number if you want to maximize the size like me, and it's up to you as much as you want to maximize. And if you want to decrease the size of the video, then minimize the number. Choice is yours, whether you want to minimize or maximize. You can also minimize or maximize by clicking on it and writing the number. Like I will write 120. As you can see, the size of my video has been maximized. And it was the way by which you can minimize or maximum video size in Adobe Premiere Pro.